Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? Okay. So Virgo, this is your current energy, 9 of Cups, and Ace of Wands is your partner's current energy. With this card, it seems like you are waiting something to happen, okay? And at this point of time, you have closed all your, ways, or you can say doors, from where people can tap you, from where people can chase you. It seems like you are just investing and giving your whole time to your own mental peace, your own healing. Or it could also happen for some of you, Virgo, that this time you are just giving your whole emotions to your family and friends. Okay, you must be praying for them, you must be thinking about them, you must be chanting for them. Okay, and it seems like somebody is knocking at your door over and over again, but you are being someone who is very busy and who is not even bothered about who is coming or who is going and who is knocking at my door. So you are just completely ignoring that thing. Okay, so you are ignoring something. Somebody is trying to be in your life, somebody has chased you for very long time. Okay, somebody is tapping you over and over, but it's you who is completely ignoring it. Okay, because you feel that this is the high time when I should give my whole attention to my family members, to my friends, to my loved ones. Okay, on the other hand, Ace of Wands, it seems like something new is happening in your partner's life. For some of you who are already in relationship, perhaps you are you must be waiting for your partner. And those who are not in any kind of relationship, who are single right now, you need to feel happy because something is happening at your partner's end. Okay, maybe for them it is a sign for you guys to meet. Maybe universe wants you guys to meet, and that's why this Ace of Wands has appeared in their life. It means that universe is asking them to take action. This action could be in your way. This action could be towards their own life, towards their own finances, towards this relationship as well. Nobody knows. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? Silence. There is a lot of silence. If you guys are single, then completely understood why there is silence. For those who are in relationship, it seems like your person is silent because they want to give you something. Okay, perhaps they want to start something new with you. All right, this image has moon on their third eye place. That means some kind of awakening is happening in their life, in your partner's life, and that's why the angels and divine has given them this Ace of Wands, that hey, now is the time for you to start taking action. Okay, the universe is with them, universe is supporting them. It's okay if they are not talking to you, it's okay if you guys are not in talking terms right now, or there is no communication or zero communication. Something is happening at their end. Okay. Sorry. Now I'm going to pull 3 cards for you to check what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. Okay. Playfulness, the dream, sharing. Oh my god. Okay, so Virgo, they see you as somebody who is very joyful person. Okay, you are somebody who makes memory, who believes in making memories. Okay, you are somebody who always take life as a gift, as a blessing. Okay, you do not curse anyone, you do not crib about anything, so you just go with the flow. Okay, you just take life the way it is coming towards you. Okay, and in tough time also you just try to make yourself happy, and the people around you. Okay, so you take life very not very seriously. Okay, you take life playfully. Okay. Now let's see what actions they are taking towards you right now. So in present, with this dream card, it seems like your person is dreaming about you. Okay, they are not taking any action towards you, they are dreaming about you. They must be thinking about your and their old memories. Okay, they must be cherishing old memories, whatever you guys had spent. Okay, whatever the conversation had held between you and them. Okay, so they are dreaming about you, they are not taking any action towards you right now, but yes, in future they are definitely going to take some action towards you. With this sharing card, they are coming into your life to share their brightness. Okay, to share the abundance and prosperity. Okay, something new is about to start in your life, a new equation is going to take place in future, and some you are definitely going to experience brightness also in this relationship and with this person. All right. Okay, so Virgo, it seems like you guys are dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have air sign in this reading, sorry, we have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading. All right. Okay, so Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the bell icon to get all the notifications on time. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.